Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Dropbox files with version history settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start backing up your Dropbox files with version history settings, open your Dropbox account in a web browser. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the file or folder you want to backup. Click on the file's name or its checkbox to select it. Now, locate the More option beside the file name. Click on the to open additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Version History. A new window will open, showing you the previous versions of the file. You will see a list of dates and times when the file was modified. To restore a previous version, click on the version you wish to recover. Check the file preview to confirm it's the correct version. Once confirmed, click the Restore button. The selected version will now replace the current one in your Dropbox. To create a backup, consider downloading the file to your local storage. Click on the Download button at the top right corner of the page. Choose the location on your computer where you want to save the file. After the file is downloaded, you now have a backup with its version history. Remember, you can always check for previous versions as needed. That concludes the steps to backup Dropbox files with version history settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.